So, what is quantitative analysis? Well, quantitative analysis is the technique that seeks to understand behavior by using mathematical and statistical modeling, measurement, and research. Quantitative analysis aims to represent a given reality in terms of a numerical value. It employs several reasons, including measurement, performance, evaluation, or valuation of a financial instrument, and predicting real-world events, such as changes in a country's gross domestic product. Quantitative analysis provides analysts with tools to examine and analyze past, current, and anticipated future events. Any subject involving numbers can be quantified. There are many fields in which quantitative analysis is used and is beneficial. For example, quantitative analysis is used in analytical chemistry, financial analysis, social sciences, and organized sports. While quantitative analysis serves as a useful evaluation tool, it often combined with the complementary research and evaluation tool of qualitative analysis. So let's talk about the difference between quantitative analysis versus qualitative analysis. It is common for a company to use quantitative analysis to evaluate figures such as sales revenue, profit margins, or return on assets. However, to get a better picture of a company's performance, analysts also evaluate information that is not easily quantifiable or reduced to numeric values, such as reputation or employee morale. Qualitative analysis focuses on meanings, involves sensitivity to context rather than the desire to obtain universal generalizations, and has a goal of establishing rich descriptions rather than quantifiable metrics. Qualitative analysis seeks to answer the why and how of human behavior. In a combined qualitative and quantitative analysis project, a company analyst or investor might wish to evaluate the strength of a product. Qualitative tools used for the project can include customer surveys and panel discussions. A quantitative analysis of the product can also be initiated through the examination of data regarding numbers of repeat customers, customer complaints, and the number of warranty claims over a given period. Quantitative analysis is not the opposite of qualitative analysis. They are just different philosophies. Used together, they can provide useful information to make informed decisions and promote a better society, improve financial positions, and enhance business operations. Quantitative analysis is a technique that seeks to understand behavior by using mathematical and statistical modeling, measurement, and research. Quantitative analysis aims to represent a given reality in terms of a numerical value and is employed for several reasons, including measurement, performance evaluation or valuation of a financial instrument, and predicting real-world events such as changes in a country's gross domestic product. Quantitative psychologists study and develop methods and techniques for the measurement of human behavior and other attributes. Their work involves a statistical and mathematical model of psychological processes, the design of research studies, and the analysis of psychological data.